Are you trying to find the best case for your drone, the DJI Mini 4 Pro? Seek no more. After doing thorough market research, we have put together a list of the best cases on the market that will protect your drone from dings, grime, and weather.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Skyri Case. For owners of DJI Mini 4 Pro drones who want portability and protection, the Skyri Case is an excellent option. The ideal ratio of robust design to compact size is provided by this protective case. The Skyri Case is made of premium materials and is designed to survive outdoor activities and travel. Made of a special leather shell material and expertly molded, it offers great protection against scratches and damage to the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone and its accessories while in transit. The Skyri Case's flexibility to be customized is one of its best qualities. You can modify the case's inside to suit your needs by setting up the compartments as you see appropriate. This implies that you can securely store additional batteries, propellers, and other parts in addition to your DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. Your drone and its attachments will remain safe and secure throughout transport thanks to the foam insert's superior shock absorption capabilities. When it comes to convenience, the Skyreat case likewise shines. Because of its ergonomic carrying handle, it's simple to take with you everywhere you go. On number 2, we have IRC Tech Case. When it comes to DJI Mini 4 Pro drones, owners who value longevity and adaptability should definitely consider the IRC Tech Case. This case is perfect for both professionals and outdoor enthusiasts because it is made of durable materials that can resist the most extreme circumstances. To ensure that your drone and its accessories stay safe and secure while in transit, the outer shell is made of a durable material that offers great protection against impacts, scratches, and dust. The IRC Tech Case's large storage capacity is one of its best qualities. You can store and arrange your DJI Mini 4 Pro drone, batteries, charger, cords, and other equipment with ease because to its numerous pockets and compartments. When it comes to portability, the IRC Tech Case is excellent. It is easy to take wherever you go because to its ergonomic and comfortable grip. On number 3, we have FPVtosky Hard Case. If you want the best durability and protection for your DJI Mini 4 Pro drone, you must have the FPVtosky Hard Case. This case is perfect for professionals who are constantly on the go or outdoor enthusiasts because it is made to endure the most extreme conditions. The robust ABS engineering plastic used to make the Mini 4 Pro hard case has excellent anti-drop, compression, abrasion, and water resistance. The interior frame of the container is sealed with sealing strips, and its IP67 waterproof rating offers complete and secure protection for your drone and its connections. You may establish a tight and secure fit for your drone and all of its parts by adjusting the foam inserts within the case. This ensures the stability of your equipment and shields it from potential harm while in transit. The case also has several pockets and compartments that offer plenty of room for storing extra propellers, batteries, cables, and other accessories. In terms of portability, the hard case from FPVtosky is excellent. It has a cozy handle and a shoulder strap that allow you to carry it in various ways for maximum convenience. So these are some of the best cases to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.